What is a crypto exchange? Explained in 2 minutes. Want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies, but don't know where to start? That's where crypto exchanges come in. But what exactly are they, and how do they work? Let's break it down in just 2 minutes. A crypto exchange is like a digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of it as the Amazon or eBay of crypto. There are 2 main types of exchanges: centralized exchanges, CEXs. These are platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. They're easy to use, great for beginners, and offer a wide range of coins. But remember, you don't fully control your crypto here. It's held by the exchange. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. These are platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. They let you trade directly from your wallet, giving you full control of your crypto. But they can be trickier to use and have fewer features. Here's how it works. You sign up, deposit funds, like USD or Bitcoin, and start trading. Exchanges make money through fees, so always check the costs before trading. Pro tip: if you're holding crypto long-term, move it to your own wallet. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. So, whether you're a beginner or a pro, crypto exchanges are your gateway to the world of digital assets. Just do your research, stay safe, and happy trading. And that's crypto exchanges in 2 minutes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite crypto exchange? Thanks for watching.